Голливуд, знаешь что?
Нет.
Их там снимают все время, снимают. А мы тут тоже, видишь, нас снимают и снимают.
Ты
Мы
видели видео это?
Да, мы сами себя снимаем и снимаем, да?
Да.
Почти как голливудские звезды, скажи.
Да.
Ну, поехали. Начнем с того, что будем слушать, какие разные звуки. Фрэнни, сыграй мне вот эту вот до, и будем считать, сколько секунд она. Сыграй как можно громче. Ну, я бы сказала 13 секунд. About 13 seconds. We are playing and listening how long the sound is continuing. Franny was playing C, middle C, one octave up, another octave up, the C. Let's play middle C, Franny. Play as loud as you can. 24. 24, and it's interesting how it's abrupted pretty much. Did you hear how it's like stop? That it was interesting. Okay, let's play the lower C. How about the very, very low C? Do you want me to play loud as I can? Yeah. 'It's still there. It's almost 55 seconds and it's still continue. Huh? How interesting, right? Yeah. It's not beautiful. And also, I feel like every sound has a kind of different, after its strings start to make sound, it's kind of vibration, almost like different forms. Sometimes it goes like this 8, like da, 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 da. And some sounds get different, like a, and they're going like all higher above. So this is good exercise to listen how they sound different, and depends on how strong or soft we're gonna play the note. Okay, next we're gonna work with Franny on the piece. First we're gonna play on the black keys, and after that I'm gonna ask Franny play on the white keys, and also I'm gonna ask her why I wanna Franny play on the white keys. Why? Because
it's more bigger for my hands, so they could like sit more better.
Yeah, the fingers and the hands could relax more, right? Be more free and confident. Okay, let's start with black keys. First black keys, like it's written, page 30, 31, and book, we're still in a book A. Okay, ready? Call silly. Oh no, let's get silly. Oh, you're too close. Okay, 1, 2, ready, start. Wait. 1, 2, ready, start. This was on the block keys as written, and now we're gonna transpose the song a half step up or down?
Up.
Up. So instead of this way, this 5 keys, Franny is gonna play. And Miss Elza also need to bring her accompaniment a half step up. Let's try? Okay. 1, 2, ready, start. Yes. Keep going. Oi, oi. Yes, so practice Franny at home. Good job. On the black keys, on the white keys, and I want you feel more comfortable on the white keys. Your fingers went like this concerns me. I'm worried about your fingers, so we're gonna do some exercise. Franny, do I squeeze pencil or I hold very nicely, easy?
Holding it really nicely.
Okay, how about now?
Squeezing it.
I want to use squeeze it. Yes, now relax, hold very easy. Yes, good job. So guys, do this exercise. Squeeze. Hold very relaxedly. Again, squeeze. Hold pencil with very relaxed fingers. You can rotate right hand. Relax. Left hand squeeze. Hold with very relaxed fingers. So just feel how it's different when the fingers tense and everything coming from here. You play the note, next second you should be totally relaxed. You play the note, it gets little tension. You don't need to bang the notes, right? Bang the keys. So whatever it takes from you, little tension, next second you should be totally relaxed. Another exercise, let's do together on the camera. Follow me. Squeeze, make tight fists, relax. Fists, relax. Fix. What did I say?
Fist. You said fix.
Exactly. Fists, tight, relax. 5-10 times. The same with this. You can do anytime between your pieces. Okay, Franny, good job. Let's see how our Russian book number 1, part 1 doing. I think last time I asked you count and say the notes, right? Did I ask you say the notes?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Do you know the notes in this, number 5?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're on page 6, song number 5. Franny, tell me the notes. C,
C,
B,
C,
D.
C, B, A.
Good job. I play and you sing for me, okay? C, B. If you wanna clap, C, B, C, B, A. Good job. Did you try play at home? No? Okay. We're gonna play only one single finger. We're not going to change the third fingers like that. And listen for this beautiful sound. tone. B, C.
Wait.
Start over, okay? Start over. C, D, C.
Wait.
C, Yes, good job. So this 4 notes, they're all here. We're not jumping anywhere, right? Okay, I play for your left hand and you play right hand. I'm gonna try to sing also. Ready? Go.
C, C, B, C, C, D, C. Oh, C, C, B, A, A.
I know it's kind of high to sing. Is this too low? Try to sing this song. C, C, let's do left hand right here.
C, C.
Wait, let's. C,
C, C, wait, C, C, B, C, C, D, C, C, B, A, A.
Okay, good job. I don't think we're playing the second finger. I think we do third. Yeah? Let's see if you can do both hands. Third and third. Third. But not like this. Like that. See when your fingers relax? Exactly. It's naturally. Okay. Let's do another exercise. Put hand like this. Now put hand on your legs. Or like, we wanna see it. We wanna like help with another hand and like relax. See the fingers curved. They're naturally curved, right? They're very relaxed and curved. Okay, let's do one more time. I play with your left hand and you play right. Third fingers. Ready? Third. Ready, set, go.
C, C, B, C, C, D, C, C, B, A, A.
Good job. I saw you like, oh, nice. If you need, you can help still like with thumb, kind of hold a little bit. Finger, third finger. Okay, so now your homework, play the songs from 1 to 5. Hands together and hands separate. And don't forget, only fingers number 3. Yes?
Okay.
Only third fingers. Someone is snoring. I think it might be in the video. Who's snoring?
No, it's
Rusa. Rusi is snoring. Rusi, you're so loud. Louder than we are. Rusa. Rusa, stop snoring. Oh my goodness. Okay. Russian book 7.
When we did the video, it was English and Russian.
I think, yeah, it was kind of mixed, right? Russian and English. What should I give you assignment for this? How far did you go in this book?
I didn't do anything.
Nothing? Okay. We can start work on this one. First page, really easy peasy. Look at this A. I think you can clap with no problem. No, we're gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
See?
1, 2,
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. A little bit maybe tricky, maybe not tricky when we have a rest. What we do? Hands apart, but we still counting. Okay, Rusia, wake up. D. Let's do it together. D. Oh, тут там Rusia. Okay, let me turn. Bye. Here's Miss Elza and Franny. Bye, bye, bye.